right, guys, so you're going to take your Dollar Tree coasters and you want to trim out some lamination paper from the roll, like I'm doing here. Just cut it to size and tape it down. Next, you're going to go to the heat press and press them on for 15 seconds, like so. Now you want to take your sublimation print that you've printed out backwards and basically just cut it out. Once that's done, you want to line up your sublimation paper to your coasters, and you want to sublimate these on 390 degrees for about 60 seconds, okay? So that's it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Bye.